Spartans, it's Miss Black here, and guess what? I have a bunch of bananas. Ah! They're going bad, so we can't eat them. So I decided to make a healthy version of banana bread. So here's my ingredients. I am gonna use stevia instead of sugar. And then for a little extra treat, I'm gonna use some semi-sweet baking chips, but they're made with stevia. So a little chocolate in there, but they're also made with stevia, okay? So I'm gonna get started. So first thing I have to do is peel all these bananas, and I have to smash them. It's gonna take a while, okay? Now I'm just gonna take a fork, which I had right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and smash them. Okay, so smashed bananas. Woohoo! Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and add my stevia. I doubled the recipe, so I have 2 cups here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of that. And I'm gonna stir that in. Now I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Again, I doubled the recipe, so the original recipe just had 1 egg. Okay, my next step is I'm gonna take, I have 3 cups of flour here, all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna mix it with, again, this was doubled, so the original had 1.5. Oops, I forgot the butter. This goes in here too. Whoop, there we go. This is 8 tablespoons of melted butter. So back to the flour. I'm mixing the flour in with salt and baking soda, 2 tablespoons of each. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that all together. Whew, this is what we're left with. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my goodies. I chose to chop up some pecans. You could use any nuts, you could use walnuts. This is just what I had, so I chose to chop those up. So I'm just gonna put those in, and I'm gonna put in my baking chips or chocolate chips, the healthy version. So I hope these turn out okay, because they got melted and I had to put them in the freezer. So, hey, you know what? Maybe one person will get a big, huge chunk of chocolate in their banana bread, because some of these are a little chunky. That's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna fold that in. Awesome, so there is my batter. Okay, so now I'm over here by the oven. I've already preheated the oven to 325, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my pans with Pam. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to pour this in the pans without making a mess. We'll see how it goes. Now they're about even. That's what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in the oven for 45 minutes, and I'll check back with you when it's time to take them out. Okay, Spartans, it's about that time, and I'm super excited. It smells so good. Ooh la la. Okay, Spartans, now for my very favorite part. And you're probably supposed to let it cool for a lot longer, but I just can't wait for it. I mean, look at that chocolate. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. Yummy. Stevia doesn't taste any different than sugar. Healthy version of banana bread. Woohoo! Bye, Spartans.